if false, frivolous statements are made against a person and they have defamed the person, but these defamatory statements are made before a public servant or a court of law, such as the police or before a judge, can it constitute defamation for the purpose of civil remedy for compensation or for the person going to jail under the relevant provision under the IPC or the new BNS? This came up again. I've talked about it on numerous occasions. This issue came up very recently in Maharashtra. Husband said that defamatory statements were made by my wife against me in the court petitions that she filed, and for that he instituted a defamation complaint before the magistrate court. The magistrate court said that because these statements were made before a court, you cannot go into defamation, and perhaps at the appropriate stage, while dismissing the case of the wife, the court can look into the aspect of whether malicious lies which defame the person, which led to, say, perhaps malicious prosecution or perjury, those offenses can be directed by the court dismissing the case to initiate this kind of a case. However, a separate case cannot be instituted. This has been held by numerous judgments, and the magistrate court held so. The sessions court overturned this and said that first the husband's statement should be recorded, which again, when the wife appealed this before the Bombay High Court said that that the magistrate court order was correct, and that a wife cannot be prosecuted for, at this stage at least, for filing a complaint before a court of law or before the police. Yes, I do say this all the time, that it is not just what the wife has done inside the court or before the police. There are actions independent of this which she has done maybe immediately in the past, or maybe after filing these cases she has circulated copies of these, or even otherwise she has done defamation in front of some other third party. Say, if I'm the husband, in front of my parents, in front of my brother or sister. There's, apart from that, the angle of extortion, intimidation, harassment, for which independently the husband can prosecute the wife immediately. But don't say that my wife filed a false case against me, that is how I'm defamed. That is a recipe for not getting success in your case against the wife.